Hello, and thank you for your interest in computing from the command line ebook. This book aims to teach Linux command line tools and shell scripting for beginner to intermediate level users. The main focus is towards managing your files and performing text processing tasks. Plenty of examples and exercises are also provided. You should be familiar with computer fundamentals and programming basics. In terms of software, you should have access to the bash shell and commonly used Linux command line tools. You are also expected to be proactive and curious instead of just consuming the content passively. In the introduction and setup chapter, you will find links to help set up a Linux environment. And in the setup section, you will find instructions to get example files and scripts that are used in this book. I prefer using CLI tools because they are easy to automate, faster, command invocations are repeatable, easy to save and share with others, and so on. In the command line overview chapter, you will learn the basics of command line usage. You will start with the echo command, get an overview of the file system, learn about absolute and relative paths, the difference between shell and terminal, learn about Unix philosophy, command structure, command network, basics of scripting, how to get help from the command line, some of the shortcuts and auto-completion, a few real-world use cases, and as mentioned earlier, exercises are provided to help test your learning. In the Managing Files and Directories chapter, you learn how to do things that are typically handled by a file manager. In the Shell Features chapter, you learn about porting mechanisms, wildcards, redirections, pipelines, and so on. In this chapter, you learn how to view contents of files from within the terminal. So you can choose to view one screen full at a time, get only the starting or ending portions, and so on. Next, you learn how to use grep to search within files and the find command to locate files based on names and other properties. Next, you will learn how to view file details like line and word counts, file and disk sizes, file types, extract parts of the file. You will also learn how to change file properties like timestamps and permissions. In this chapter, you learn how to run jobs in the background and manage processes. Next, you learn about multipurpose text processing tools like sed, awk, and perl. After that, you learn how to sort file contents, find unique lines, duplicate lines, compare two files, and so on. Next, you learn how to find and report differences between the contents of two files. There are lots and lots of text processing tools. So in this chapter, you will learn about commands like seek, paste, cut, tr, and so on. In the shell scripting chapter, you learn how to declare variables, parameter expansion, control structures, how to pass arguments to a script, how to declare a function, get user input, and so on. And finally, you learn how to customize your command line environment. Hope you will find this book useful, and please let me know your feedback. Thank you.